Hi coders, I'm Suresh Kumar Tulsiram welcoming you for the day 8 for the Python series. So far we have learned 7 day classes. Install Python, first program in Python, variable and data types, variable naming rules, operation in Python's, bitwise operators. So far we have learned 7 days of series. Now we are going to learn these topics. Bitwise shifting operators, first complement, second complement, identity operators, membership operators, then hands-on demo of bitwise and other operators. Let us move on to bitwise left shift operator. You see the formula here. Left shift formula is multiplies the number by 2 power n. Suppose the 5 left shift 1 equal to 5 into 2 power 1. If 3 left shift 3 equal to 3 into 2 power 3, like that, it arrives the answer correctly. So left shift is multiplies the number by 2 power n. This is the easy method. You see the examples here. 12 left shift 2 equal to 12 into 2 power 2, that is 12 into 4, that is 48 is the answer. 3 left shift 3, 3 into 2 power 3, 3 into 8, 24 is the answer. 7 left shift 4, 7 into 2 power 4, 7 into 16, 112 is the answer. I will show you the demonstration in ideally, then you will come to know. Next, right shift. As I told you, right shift is simply the difference is floor division by 2 power n. Left shift is multiplies by 2 power n. Here floor division by 2 power n. You see the example 5. First answer is 2, second answer is 3, third answer is 0, fourth answer is also 0. So it's very simple. Next, we will move on to ones complement. Tilt x equal to minus x plus 1 is the formula. So here tilt 5 equal to minus 5 plus 1 equal to minus 6. Then tilt 12 equal to minus of 12 plus 1 minus 13 is the answer. Tilt 19 equal to minus of 19 plus 1 minus 20 is the answer. Tilt 14 equal to minus 14 plus 1 minus 15 is the answer. Now we will move on to 2's complement. 2's complement is nothing but a number is the negative of that number. That is, 2's complement of a number is the negative of that number. Why we need 2's complement? To represent the negative numbers in the computer, it is actually discovered. It simplifies subtractions and avoids having separate hardware for negative numbers. See here, 2's complement will work it out. Minus x equal to tilt x plus 1. Here we have to find out 2's complement for 10 number. Step 1 is we have to find out first binary of the 10. Binary number of 10 is 10, 10. Then first complement. One's complement of 10 number is minus 11. 2's complement is we have to arrive from the formula minus x equal to tilt of x plus 1. So the x is minus 11, then plus 1, that will become minus 10. Second example, here we have to find out for the 5 number. 5 number binary is 101. Step 2 is 1's complement. 1's complement for 5 is minus 6. 2's complement of tilt 5, that is 2's complement for the minus 6, that will become minus 5. Now we will see how to check in Python ideally. We have to declare the variable x equal to 5. Then using print command, you can execute the x equal to 5 result. If you want to print 1's complement, print 1's complement, tilt x, print tilt x should be written, then tilt x equal to minus 6 will come, then tilt x plus 1, 2's complement also will come. Identity operators, is not is then operators. Okay, a equal to 1 comma 2, b equal to a, print a is b, the true will come. Here is operators are used. Example 2, x equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, y equal to 1 comma 2 comma, print x e double equal to y, true will come. But if you say x is y, it's a different memory, false will come. Membership operators, in comma not in is an operator. Example 1, print 5 in range 1 comma 10, true will come. Print 10 not in range 1 comma 10, true will come. Fruits, apple, banana, mango, print banana in fruits, true. Print grape in not in fruits, yes, not, it is not there. Membership operators, in comma not in, message equal to hello Python learners, print Python in message, true will come. So message is assigned to a string called hello Python learners. Whatever you ask from the string, that will using in operator, that will be displayed, otherwise false. See, Python is a lower case, is false now. Now recap of date 8. Welcome to the demonstration for bitwise operators. Let us see the example one by one. Now we will see left shift operator. Okay, I just written a comment, so it won't execute. Now I type print 5. So left shift symbol is less than 1. Okay, 5 into 2 to the power 1, which is nothing but 10. So 10 should come. Yes, coming. So print 5. I'll write 2 here. This is nothing but 5 into 2 to the power 2, which is equal to 2 to the power 2 is 4. 4 into 5 is 20. 20 should come. Okay. Here left shift is multiply by 2. If 1 is written here, so 2 to the power 1. 2 is written here, 2 to the power 2. 7 is written here, 2 to the power 7. Like that it should go. So next we will see right shift operator. Right shift operator. The rule is greater than 2. How it comes? 8 divided by floor division divided by 2 to the power 2 is what? 4. So 8 floor division by 4 is, see, simply 8 floor division by 4, 2. The 2 is coming here. So right shift is over. Next what? One's complement. One's what is the formula? Tilt x okay, tilt x is the formula. What is the formula? Tilt x equal to minus of x plus 1. This is the formula. Now tilt 5. You simply write tilt 5. What is the result will come? So minus 6 will come. See, minus 6, because 5 plus 1 is 6. You just prefix minus sign only. So whatever the value is there, add 1 and put minus prefix. 7, 8 should come. Minus 8 should come. Correct? Okay. Now we will see 2's complement. 2's complement how? What is the formula? Minus x equal to tilt x plus 1 means what? Sorry, I should write it in comment. Na? So I am writing comment here. This is the formula. Minus x equal to tilt x plus 1. Okay, we will see. Print. First we will assign the value x equal to 5. Okay, print tilt x. What should come? It should come minus x. It is coming, right? How it comes? Minus of x plus 1, na? Okay, now we will see one more. X equal to 3. Okay, print tilt x plus 1. You simply write here. Minus 3 is coming. Okay, what is the formula for 2's complement? Tilt x plus 1, na? So minus 3 minus 3 is coming, right? We'll write one more and see. X equal to 78. Print tilt x plus 1. Minus 78 should come. Okay. Actually, bitwise operators, everything we have done it. More presentation will be on day 9. Thank you very much. Bitwise shifting operators we have seen already. 1's complement, 2's complement, identity operators, membership operators. So all bitwise operators are completed right now in day 8. End of day 8 today. You are now equipped to understand how computer stores data, binary level, how shifting and complements work, and how to logically compare and test Python objects. Now we will move on to day 9 tomorrow. Till such time you enjoy with this MCQ on Python, and thank you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. Tomorrow day 9.